The popular one. Can you tell him what his name is?
Thomas.
That's Thomas.
Thomas. Hello.
Oh, he's sharing it with you, Goldman. Isn't it nice of Cameron?
I do.
Cameron, what color is that one?
Green.
Then you use a green train. Yeah, you got that. Show him another train and what the train's name is. How about Duncan? That one's Duncan right there.
Thomas.
Okay. Show it to them and tell them their name.
Thomas. J.
What's this one?
Daddy.
Hold it up so that you see. Duncan. You tell them. Tell them what it is.
Thomas.
Cameron wants to name you Thomas. Because Cameron likes his train so much. Huh, Cameron?
Mommy.
Cameron, you wanted me to name baby
Mommy,
Colton
help.
Thomas, huh?
Mommy, help.
I don't think you should use the bridge. That's too hard.